At the last Wetpan event, someone decided they wanted to push me.
Oh yeah, we got recognized while we're on the dance floor.
Yeah. The MR2 is like the car that I'm marrying. Just leave it there and push down on the bottom. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Guys, we didn't see that on the camera. Fuck.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are working on Charlotte's IS200, and because, as you know, she got rear-ended and there's a big dent in the center of her bumper.
Yeah, all the paint's peeling off.
Yeah.
But it was like, the paint peeling was kind of like that before. So I've got a new bumper. I bought it probably like 8 months ago when I first got the car, and then someone in my family decided to throw it down into the bush and scratch the whole thing. But we're gonna put it on anyway. And then I have new taillights as well that someone in my family also cracked. So
Are you gonna put those on?
I'll put them on to see how they look. It's 2 bolts. Since I have the dual tip exhaust, because old owner's weird, we have to cut the little gap in it. So that's why we haven't put it on, because I could have just chucked it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the last Wetpan event, someone decided they wanted to push me.
Oh no.
I don't care. That's like, we knew we were replacing it, so it's all peeling off. And then all the paint here is all disgusting. And then I have my cracked taillights. They came like that. And then my other one. But it's okay, it's gonna look nice. And there's a cat. Bang!
Oh, he's too fast.
Okay. It should
Okay.
be pretty easy.
Let's get this bad boy out.
It's gonna screw. I just don't wanna hit it. I don't wanna hitting the roof because my roof's so clean. Oh, that wasn't that bad. It was so hard to get in. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maneuver, maneuver.
Oh. Hit my freaking car, man.
It's big. Hang on, I just realized there's a hole here that the cats have been getting out of.
Uh-oh. The cats are having a run, so.
I think Cuckoo's might be out the front. Cuckoos! 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 Had this fat chunky thing fit through there.
Fuck!
What?
I dropped a 10 mil. Guys, where are... Oh, it's here. Okay, so, hello, we're gonna go to this one. Oh, excuse me. Please move. Okay. Lactose-free coffee. Juice. What's your favorite juice flavor? So basically,
let me bring everyone
style?
over here.
this side has an under tray, the other side doesn't. I don't know why.
Where the fuck did it go, Charlotte?
Who did this to my car? Where's the... I can't find this bolt. I love staring off into nothing to try and find a
Yeah, it's kind of terrifying, not gonna lie.
Sorry. So guys, last night, Crystal and I, we went out. Mm-hmm. Should I tell them what happened?
Nothing happened, we had fun.
We had fun, but we got freaking spotted.
Oh yeah, we got recognized while we're on the dance floor.
Yeah. And then there was this beautiful, beautiful, sexy man in a fedora.
Yeah, dancing his heart out.
Well, princess, care for a drink? They say red wine is an aphrodisiac. I believe it, because it goes straight to my quit. So, princess, grab a glass. Daddy's in heat.
Yeah, he had a shirt that said, "Let's dance."
Let's dance. I love him. My brother doesn't even drive it anymore, Crystal, because he finished his car. Which means I don't even know what to do with it.
Oh,
I don't think he wants it anymore. But I want him.
for drifting.
Yeah, exactly. What else am I gonna do? Like, you know what I mean? But I don't need...
That means you have to get rid of Mr. Pooh.
Yeah, I'll just sell the MR2 for this shit back. I would never. The MR2 is like the car that I'm marrying. If the MR2 is not at my wedding...
Wait, what?
With you.
But as if you would want like your dream car one day.
So what's my dream car?
S14?
No. My dream car is a 1991
Don't say it.
Toyota MR2. No, the MR2 is, that's like my life car.
Interesting. Would you want to get a different one? Like the turbo version?
No, this is my man. If something happens to him, I don't want another one. It's him.
It's
That's
him
like
and
that's like
only
your
him.
boyfriend. Like, let's say you're dating a man and he dies, but you just get another man. You know
Is
what
that
I mean?
open? Am I tripping?
No, it's just fucked. But you know what I mean? It's like I don't want another. I could turbo him if I wanted to. I'm not bothered, but
Yeah, but then you have to keep 2 cars, but because your actual like passion is drifting.
Mr. Two, if there's no Hot Wheels of him on the cake at my wedding with you, I don't want to be there. I can't undo this stupid bolt.
Dude, just jack it up.
Do you have pliers? No, I just need pliers.
And you know what's suspicious?
What?
Is that there's a lot of shit in here.
From your Civic that we never put back in.
Oh no.
Yeah, but that's what happens when you build a car. You get free parts, you know, free bolts. Where's my 10 mil gone, everybody? Where did I put the 10 mil? Where's the 10 mil crystal?
Oh.
You see the 10 mil spanner?
Yeah, right there.
No, spanner.
Oh, it's in my pocket.
Oh.
Obvi.
I should fucking know that, shouldn't I? So when we got rear-ended, Dad and I took it off to hammer this out and to re-hammer all this back. And so he put some weird thing on the screw here. So it's, I don't know why, I think because we were just trying to get it on. It had a red nut, not a red, a square. How the fuck did I just get square and red mixed up? Oh, hello. Okay, so this is off and that's off. Please do not drop it though. Please. My dad doesn't let me cut zip ties with scissors.
My daddy has a gold tooth. Wow. My dad has diabetes.
Why?
He says they ruin the scissors.
Fuck
You need to use side cutters, and I'm like, okay. The nuts off. You took it. Yay! Look at us.
Chuck it in the bin.
No, I'm gonna keep it. What if I get rear-ended again? This is my drift car, I don't care. I could care, and my dad will be like, you should have measured it.
You should have measured the circumference and the angle
radius.
and the radius and the diameter.
2 pi r. No, I don't care. I'll slip.
I'm not slipping. How do you turn it on?
Yeah, click the button. Oh yeah. But try it, yeah. Okay, you're gonna have to start angling. You wanna come on this side? You need safety glasses. I know.
Wait, where this? Can you see in them?
Thank you. Probably not. Oh god, they're a bit blurry. No, they're not that bad.
That's why I was like, dude, that That's a polish job. Oh, she's going for it. She's going for it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Garage girls become.
Now put her on.
Oh yeah. Now put it on like that. Yeah. This one doesn't have heat shielding. It's fine. I'm gonna do a quick test fit, and then I might need to sand a little bit more off.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, I can hold it up while you look.
Oh yeah, cool. Let me put this on. It should just slide into that. Just leave it there and push down on the bottom. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Guys, we didn't see that on the camera. Fuck. Okay, that's in. To an extent. There you go. How much more does it need? Is it really bad? How bad is it?
No,
it's not that
it's
bad.
not
I don't care. I just need a tiny bit off. Guys, don't show them that.
Yes, we're showing them it.
I knew it was gonna be cooked. Hold on, let me just draw it.
Just slightly more.
I don't care. Honestly, everybody, I don't give a fuck. Oh wait, it's also not in. Why are you not going in?
It's pretty in for position wise.
Yeah, but you don't wanna have it not in at all.
Yeah, I don't think it really can go in right now because it's stuck.
It's not hitting. No. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. Guys, I don't fucking care. I actually don't care. Because someone's probably gonna fucking kill me. Okay, ready?
Okay. I pulled at it.
Shit, my bulbs. Okay. Hello everybody. I'm back and I'm gonna fix the IS200, the rest of the bumper that we didn't fix at Crystal's house. I know it's cooked. I know it looks like shit. You can see it here. Doesn't matter. I know the cut is really bad. I kind of stuffed up. We didn't have any tools. We had a few tools at Crystal's, but yeah, I should have probably measured it. Anyway, I'm gonna take the bumper off, cut it, polish it, maybe put my new taillights on, but someone cracked my new taillight. Let me show you, hold on. Someone in my family cracked my new taillights that I bought. They weren't new, but they were like better quality than my current ones. So the whole crack, like the whole plastic moves. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should put them on. I should probably just buy the AliExpress ones. Got the bumper off. Time to cut. And my Dremel broke last time. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I should measure it this time though. That'd probably be smart. Yay. Funny thing about my exhaustive, I've bottomed it out. This one isn't stock. So that's why it's not straight, and that's why it's really hard to actually line it up correctly with this one. Anyways, let's give it a go. Okay, I just Dremeled it. My hands hurt. I don't know why. Dremeled that side. It looks better. It's not even. I actually don't care anymore. I really just want to put the car back together. So I'm gonna put it all back together by when I put the taillights on, and then polish it and see how it looks, because it's been scratched from lots of things, and then put maybe the new tail lights in. I'm not too sure. So I'm gonna quickly do that and I'll be back. Look at that. That thing's shiny. I polished it, compounded it. I'm gonna wash the car now because the rest of the car's quite dirty. I need to clean up. That thing's shiny. I'm so excited to wash it and see how it looks. Look at how much nicer it looks with an actual clean bumper. No scratches, no dents anymore. Oh, there's a couple scratches. Way cleaner. All the dirt on my face, but thank you so much for watching, guys. Crystal's not here because she's at work and I had to finish the car. Here's the MR2. But yeah, car looks great. Absolutely amazing, and I'm much happier with it. I'm a bit upset about the tail lights since they cracked, but looks way better anyway, and hopefully I don't get rear-ended again. Really hope not. Anyway, say goodbye to the MR2. Alright, bye.